In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in Adobe Acrobat Pro. By the end, you'll be confident creating clean, clickable links in your PDFs so readers can jump straight to a web page. First, launch Adobe Acrobat Pro on your device. This process requires the Pro version because we'll be using the full edit tools. Once it's open, load the PDF you're working with. This could be any document, even one you plan to sign later. Next, look to the global bar and choose All Tools. From there, select Edit a PDF. This switches Acrobat into editing mode and reveals the controls we need. In the top editing toolbar, find Link, then choose Add or Edit a Link. Your cursor will turn into a crosshair, which means you're ready to define the clickable area. Click and drag to draw a bounding box over the exact text or image you want to make clickable. Take your time here. If you need precision, zoom in so your rectangle tightly fits the content. A tidy bounding box keeps the interaction predictable for your readers. When you release the mouse, the Create Link dialog box will appear. Under link type, choose either Invisible Rectangle or Visible Rectangle. Invisible Rectangle is great for a clean, professional look because nothing is drawn around the link. You just get the click behavior. If you prefer a visible cue, choose Visible Rectangle and adjust the style, thickness, and color so it matches your document's design. Under Link Action, select Open a Web Page. This tells Acrobat that clicking this area should launch a browser and navigate to a specific URL. Click. Next to proceed. If you happen to select an image and realize you need a different one but want to keep the same placement, you can use Replace Image to swap in a new file while preserving the exact dimensions. This helps maintain layout consistency without redoing your link area. If you don't need to change the image, simply continue. You'll be prompted to enter the destination address. Type the full URL, including the HTTPS/ portion, and double-check for typos. Accurate links save your viewers from dead ends. Click OK to confirm. Finally, save your document to lock in the hyperlink. Use File, then Save, or press your usual Save shortcut. If this is a new version, Save As is a smart choice so you keep the original untouched. As a quick quality check, exit editing mode and click the linked area to make sure it opens the correct web page. That's it. Your hyperlink is ready to go.